Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome at the Aaron Tobin fundraiser event for election to the City Council. And here with us tonight is Damon Bulldog McCreary. He's going to be fighting at the soundboard at the Motor City Casino Thursday, October 17th. Doors open at 7 o'clock. And let's talk with Damon and just see how things are going with this training camp. Damon, how are you this evening? And how's your training camp going?
I'm doing fine today. I feel great. The training camp is going excellent. Everything is working and prospiring the way it should be.
Excellent. What about your record and the opponent that you're going to be facing next Thursday, Damon? Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, my opponent, from what I hear, I don't know too much about him, but he's a big guy, and I'm fighting the heavyweight. This is my last heavyweight bout. I feel very comfortable. I feel sharp. I train really hard. It's going to be an opportunity for me to display my skills and take it one step at a time.
And your current record stands at what now?
Well, right now my current record stands at 14-1 with 10 knockouts. Come Thursday, it will be 15-1 with 11 knockouts.
And let's talk about that hat that you tend to wear as you're coming out to the ring. Can you elaborate a little bit about that? What does this do when you put the Godfather hat on coming to the ring?
Well, this fight I'll be wearing my white Godfather hat, and when I put it on, you know what I'm saying, I feel great. It gives me my little power, you know what I'm saying, and it's just my image of it displays how Motown Detroit fighters, originated with the Godfather. Right now, you can see I'm wearing a black one, and I'll have a white one on come Thursday.
And as far as your current weight class that you're in the heavyweight, do you tend to stay there? Do you want to drop down to cruiser, possibly light heavy, or where do you want to be at, Damon?
Well, right now, this will be my last heavyweight bout. It's already in the making. I'm going down to cruiserweight, and I'm going to dominate the cruiserweight. I'll feel comfortable and more fast and more agile with my weight, and I want to take it like that. I want to go one step at a time.
And about as far as your promoter, who is the promoter for the up-and-coming fight at the casino?
Well, Carlo Venus is promoting this fight right here, and I want to thank you, Carlo, for putting me on the card. Thank you, Carlo. I also want to thank Aaron Tobin for giving me this opportunity to come here and promote my fight. And we're gonna have a great City Councilman, Aaron Tobin, great guy, I love him, and I want to thank him as well for letting me have the opportunity to come here and promote my fight.
Well, thank you very much, Damon, and good skills next Thursday at the Motor City Casino soundboard.
Yes.
Damon Bulldog McCreary.